Hey, I'm Dr. O, and I'd like to welcome you to Significant Figures, Multiple Operations, the Exercises Only edition. In this video, we'll do a quick review of my guidelines for working problems where we're required to follow the order of operations and give our answer in the correct significant digits. Then you'll have a whopping 30 problems to work through where you can check your answers against mine. So, let's get started. So let's take a minute to review what skills you need to successfully work problems with multiple operations. You need to know how to determine significant figures of numbers, and if you need help in this area, I have a video. You can find it on my channel. There's the thumbnail. You also need to be able to determine significant figures for the solutions of multiplication and division problems, and if you need help in this area, I have two videos for that. You need to be able to determine the significant figures for the solutions of addition and subtraction problems. And you guessed it, I have videos for that as well. You need to know how to round numbers to reflect significant figures. Now, I don't have a video for this, but the topic is covered in those other 5 videos. And you need to know how to put all of this together. And I go into all of this in detail in this video right here. Look for the links for these videos in the description, or better yet, just go to my channel, subscribe, and watch all of them. I have 3 guidelines for working problems with multiple operations. Do the math following the order of operations, which means you need to know the order of operations. Hopefully you do. The acronym is PEMDAS. This is our aid for remembering that order. If you're at a loss of what that means, go to my video. Significant figures, working with multiple operations, that'll help you out. The second guideline is to keep in mind that you're going to be tracking the significant figures in any intermediate solutions while bringing all the digits forward to the next set of calculations. And it's important that you don't round. And the last guideline is that your final answer will be rounded based on the rules for determining significant figures for the last type of operation performed. And this means that you must know the rules for determining significant figures when multiplying and dividing, or when adding and subtracting. Okay, let me show you how I've set up these problems. So you'll see a problem just like this one. There's about a 3-second pause before the answers start to be revealed. I've designed this video to allow you time to pause the video, work the problems, then restart the video to see the step-by-step process I used to solve these problems. Now, because problems with multiple operations are done in a certain order, portions of the equation will be worked first, and you'll know which portion I work first because a bracket will appear under that portion. So that's what the bracket is telling you. This is the operation that's about to be performed. Now that that portion is worked, the equation reappears with the intermediate solution in blue. And as with all intermediate solutions, you must track the significant figures while keeping track of the digits, and I mark the last significant digit with a blue dot. So the blue dot is the method I'm using to track the significant digits of my intermediate solution. Now we're ready to perform another operation, and the next portion that I will work is going to be this division. And the equation will reappear with the new intermediate solution of that operation in blue, and it will also have a blue dot noting the last digit of the significant figures for this solution. Now there's only one operation left to perform. I'm not going to put a bracket at this point, and it's just worked with the significant figures being noted with that blue dot. And we're going to have to do a rounding, and with that our final solution gets revealed. All right, so now it's your turn. I hope you found this math workout helpful. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and mark that notification bell. If you have any questions, make a note of that in the comments. And if there's a topic you'd like me to do a video on, leave that in the comments as well. And as always, do really well on your next exam. Thanks for watching.